Hi, this is Glenn Tremain. I'm calling because I work with Sam Khalil.
Oh yeah, hi, how are you?
I'm good, and you? And how do you pronounce your
Good.
name?
It's Fadi.
Fatty. Okay, Fatty. Do you have a minute to talk, or would you like to talk another time?
No, yeah, of course, no problem. Go ahead.
Okay, great. So what I'd like to do is record our call and ask you questions about Sam and why you liked him and what he did for you. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sound bites and put them into videos. So we're not gonna identify you directly, but we'll use comments that you make about what impressed you with how Sam helped you. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's totally fine, no problem.
Awesome, great. So I don't know anything, so you'll have to give me the story about how you met Sam and what he did for you.
So basically, I was looking to purchase my first new property, and I had some like relatives that recommended Sam for me. So I just got in touch with him, and then he was like so helpful from the first from the first minute, and like he was offering help and support, and he just was willing to adjust his calendar and his appointment so that he can meet my appointment time. And then after that, he just like met me, and then we started sharing what I'm looking for, what I need, and after this, just told him like what I'm looking like, how much is my budget, etc. And he was like so helpful and was very supportive. He kept giving me multiple options and a lot of other recommendations from his side. Uh, like that's how I'm looking for. Like he kept asking me questions why I want this property. You can find another one better based on my needs or stuff because I was looking for schools for my kids and like good schools to be around the area. And then I also wanted like two stories. So he kept like looking for what I'm looking for, what I want, and giving me multiple options. And then he was just like there whenever I need. Like he was just offering to go and check those apartments or those units. I mean those houses anytime that fits me. And he was always there on time, never late, not even one time. All the time he's been on time, and he was always like so friendly, so helpful, just guiding me over like the good stuff about that house and the stuff, the opportunities that needs to be done in this house or so, just so that I can be like careful about my choices. And yeah, and basically after I chose the house that I'm gonna purchase, he was like so like extremely professional in getting me a very good deal with them and getting me credit from the owners as well from selling the house. That's really helped me regarding my taxes and like settling the house payments, like for the closing amount. I mean, and yeah, so basically, he was helping me from A to Z for everything.
Great, that's awesome. And did he? Because he's been doing this for so long in real estate and mortgage. Did you feel like he was there for you for everything?
Yeah,
Related.
definitely. Everything. Yeah, I had no clue, to be honest. I had no clue about anything like how to purchase house. This is my first time, so I didn't know what are the procedures look like. So he was like explaining every single detail from finding a house and then to the mortgage one too, until closing, until he handed me the key in my hand. Every single detail. Like now I can like even like get another house just on my own because of the knowledge that he provided me.
That's great. That's
Yeah.
great. So now, you said that he was referred to you by family or friends, or
Yeah, family friend, yeah, that referred him to me.
oh, that's great. Well, and so you felt safe, like you felt comfortable, and that did you have
Completely, yes. Definitely, yeah.
yeah, and did you have any like you know uh like you didn't have any questions that you needed to go to someone else for. He was there for you.
No, so basically, I like before Sam, I had like another two brokers that I was dealing with, but I wasn't feeling, as how you mentioned earlier, safe with them. Like I felt they just want to make money out of what I want to do. Like they're just trying to upsell me like a better house, like or higher price house, so they can make more like money out of it. I don't know or what, but then they were not straight up while they were talking, and then just kept telling me like some excuses about some stuff that I was asking about in the house or like how to do this or how to do that. But with Sam, since like from the first talk, because I was not like actually like satisfied with those two brokers that I had, so that's why I got referred from a family friend about Sam. So I said, let me try out. So once I started the first conversation that I had with Sam, he was actually like so open. He was not like, how can I say it, like he was just straight up, and he was just like, yeah, he made me feel like really safe, like as if he's on my side and not just trying to make money out of me or stuff like that. Like he really wants to help me.
Right, right. And
Yeah.
how was the transaction? Did anything come up that might have, if it was with someone else, you might have stressed out about that Sam handled and made you feel good about?
Say that again. Sorry.
Sorry, my voice is bad. Uh,
No, no, no.
did anything happen to where, like, a lot of times, during the sale and mortgage, things pop up, and
Yeah.
you might feel like you're alone. But did Sam handle those things for you and make you feel comfortable?
Yeah. Yeah. From A to Z, as I mentioned, like he was helping me step by step. So he never left me alone or just like me being like bothered by something or trying to find something out or so. He was always there to help me. He was always by my side all the time.
Right. Good. Good.
And
And
anytime I called him, he just pick up the phone. Like even if he's in the meeting, he just texts me like, "Can I call you back?" And once he finishes his meeting or whatever he's doing, he gives me a call right away. So yeah, he was always like there.
so
He never left me alone.
you'd say he's really available.
Yes.
Because that I've heard from people that other real estate agents, they sort of they they're not as available, and because of the market, they tend to put people on the back burner. And I see that Sam's not that way.
Yeah, that's true. That's totally right. Because like the other couple brokers, like I remember so well, the first one it was never available, and he gives you an appointment, and if you're late like 10, 15 minutes or so, it like will like just like say sorry and apologize for the meeting, and he's not gonna like show up because he has another meeting that has to start like blah 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 and stuff like that. And he was like wanting me to keep chasing him to see him.
Oh wow.
So yeah, so like, oh, excuse me.
Yeah. So what you're saying, from all the things combined, he had experience. He had, in real estate and mortgage and just the process, and then he was attentive and always
Yes,
available, right?
correct. Yes.
Okay, so let's say that we were at a family function and you met me, and I was saying, I just don't. I'm just not getting along with realtors. What would you say? Like, how would you tell me about Sam?
That he is so professional. He has a very, very good knowledge based on the experience that he got, of course, about like how to purchase house from A to Z, like how to look, how to start looking for houses, and gives you a lot of options. And then after that, with the mortgage, he also like has a very well experience in mortgage too, and really good knowledge. So will help you guiding you in like how to go through the mortgage, and even before you go to the bank and they run your credit, etc. He will know you if you're gonna get approved or no based on like the information that you're gonna provide them. So he will like just like makes you avoid a lot of hassle.
That's great, great. And
Yeah.
how about putting your needs above his commission. Do you think he did that?
Say it again, sorry?
Do you think he put your needs in front of his commission?
Yeah, definitely. Like, I don't even think that he got any commission. Like, he was just helping to the bare end, like, to the nearest $0 amount, like, trying to get me the best, like, price and the best option ever. He didn't actually care about his commission at all. Like, he even increased the price for me, like, I believe $10K or something like that from the original price or something like this, yeah.
That's great. That's great.
Yeah.
Well, so you've given me a lot, and Sam's really going to appreciate it. We're going to take these and cut them up into sound bites and put them into videos. And people that are, because when people refer people or people advertise, they go, yeah, right, this real estate agent is going to do this for me. And when they hear your voice saying, yeah, he did this and he did that, that's going to help Sam convince people that he is who he is, So
Perfect.
it'll really help. Now, I have another question. Are you able to do do you know how to do a review on Google or Facebook? Like if I was...
I've never done it before, but I can try.
Okay, well, you know what I'll do is I'll send you a video tonight that just shows you visually where to go, and then it walks you through it. And if you have any problems, I'll leave you a phone number that you can call, and I'll gladly help you.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, definitely.
All right. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate your time, and have a great rest of your day.
You too. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.